Hello and welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor and winter has hit us hard. A great way to stay warm in this weather is with a delicious bowl of soup. So today we're going to cook up one of my favorites, tomato basil soup. Let's dive in. We're going to start off with roughly chopping up a yellow onion and chopping up some carrots. Put a large pot on the stove, set it to medium-high, and add in some olive oil. Once it's hot, toss in your onion along with some minced garlic. Simmer for around 10 minutes until the onion starts to brown. Now add the carrots along with some vegetable broth, salt, pepper, basil, and 2 cans of crushed tomatoes. Also gonna add a couple shakes of red pepper flakes to give it a little bit of a kick. Cover with a lid to avoid a mess. Turn the heat down to medium and simmer together for 20 minutes, giving the occasional stir so nothing burns. Now that all the veggies are nice and tender, let's bust out our trusty blender. Carefully ladle the contents of your pot into the blender and blend until completely smooth. It's not all going to fit at once, so work in batches to ensure no clumps remain. Pour the finished batches into a pot and give it a good whisk so everything gets thoroughly combined. This is an adequate soup right here, but we're going to bring it to the next level. Going back to the blender, add 1 block of soft silken tofu. Just a minute of blending will turn that tofu into a thick liquid. Add the blended tofu into the soup and turn the heat back to medium-high. Stir occasionally for 10 minutes and you'll see the soup has a very creamy texture. Garnish with a shake of basil and let's plate this dish. Now I can't have tomato basil soup without a nice grilled cheese sandwich. Our soup has such a creamy sweetness to it and all the flavors pair perfect together. This really is my favorite soup. Well, that is going to do it for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. With all this cold weather, let me know what are some of your favorite soups down in the comments below. Like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time on Saucy Cat. Add the tofu puree. Add the
Give me a sec.
Add the tofu puree to the. Add the blended tofu.
Yeah, you just can't handle the word.
I can't handle the word puree.
Puree.
Puree.